Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to do a split screen text effect, which is perfect for a YouTube intro. Now, before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, let's go into the library here on the left within media and look for the black video. This is usually trending. If it's not, just search for black video in the search box. Then let's head to the text and drag any text onto the timeline, extend it for the full length of the clip, and let's type something into the text box here. Let's keep it simple and call it split for now. You can change the font, you can adjust the size, so I'll leave it like that. Then you want to highlight both clips once you're happy with everything, right click and select Create Compound Clip. Now we need to come up to Media and we want to go to the local, as this is where our media is that we want to create the effect on. Then we want to drag the clip onto our timeline and adjust it to the same length of the compound clip we've just made. Now we want to highlight the compound clip, head up to the right hand side, Video Basic, then come down to Blend, and then we want to select the drop down here for Mode and select Multiply. And now with that selected, we can see our media through the text. Now what you want to do is you want to right click on this compound clip, copy it, and then right click and paste it. With the second clip pasted, you want to highlight that clip and come to the right hand side and select Hide Track. Now we want to select the first compound clip, then head up to the right hand side and select Mask. And we want horizontal. Now we want to move the playhead to where we want the split to appear. So we'll move it to around here. Then we want to come to the right hand side within the mask and press the Add Keyframe button here. Then move it along to where we want it to go off the page. Then drag the mask off the screen, revealing the whole of the media. You don't need to press the Add Keyframe again because this is automatically done for you. Now, with that done, we can just have a quick look. See, that looks okay for now. So now let's unhide the second compound clip. We want to move the playhead to where the first keyframe was on the first clip. Again, highlight it, come up to the top, masks, horizontal, and this time you want to spin the clip 180 degrees. We want to add a keyframe. Now select the first compound clip again, move it to where the second keyframe was added. Now select the compound clip which we added second, move the mask off the screen as we did before. The keyframe will automatically be added. Now if you watch that, there you go, perfect. You can make adjustments to the keyframes if you want that split to be a little longer. It's a little more tricky doing it this way, however, it is achievable. So that's how to do the split screen text effects on CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.